They took teeny tiny ones in these. So here's a prep pad, which I don't think we're going to need. Here's the instructions, and here's a stick. These were from a Dashing Diva set, but it's the same thing. The Kiss do the same thing. So I just pulling those off. I definitely like Kiss better than Dashing Diva. My daughter and granddaughter's coming in, so maybe I can. And the Dashing Diva, they'll have short nails. They stick on better, so that's really sticky adhesive. I'm not particularly, I mean, for me, I don't need it that sticky. I mean, I like it, but it's like really hard to get off. So, but they're kind of rough on their nails, so hopefully I can either get some nail glue. Now that one set of Dashing Diva I got from Amazon on Prime Days that was deceptive, you know, that's going to take some super glue or something to stick on those, which I'm not putting on my nails. But one of them will. They don't care so much about it as I do. I got rid of a lot of my old nail stuff over the weekend. They're coming Friday, so I need to have that room all cleaned out by then. Which, the sheets and stuff are done. It's clean. I just had been collecting too much clutter since the last time they came, and I've been decluttering and getting rid of stuff. Last time they took some of my makeup, I'm not even going to count on them taking stuff, because they didn't last time take a whole lot, so I'm just going to chunk anything, because it's probably expired anyway. You're not supposed to wear expired makeup anyway. So